Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn Introduction to SEO. So before going to introduction, we must know that SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and in this class we will learn what is SEO, the basics of SEO, how to do SEO, benefits of SEO, career opportunities with SEO and SEO roadmap. So first of all we will see that what is SEO. As I said you before, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of getting traffic into your website, and it aims to improve your website's position in the search engine results page. First of all, we will see what is search engine's results. So here if I type best restaurants in India, so we can see that here are some restaurants that is suggested by Google's when we type best restaurants in India. So this is known as this, and all these are known as search engine results, and this particular web page is known as search engine result page. Search engine result page also can be said that the web page that is returned by the search engine when the user submits the query. Suppose I can also type here best institute for NEET in India. So we can see that here is also best NEET coaching, like it shows some coaching institute for scholarship on NEET coaching and all this. So all this web page, all these results in this page are search engine results, and this particular page is known as search engine results page. The number so that the number of searches for your website is increased when you do SEO. So it is clear that SEO and why SEO is used. We will see the basics of SEO. There are some important questions you should be able to answer about your business and websites, such as how to optimize your sites or your company's site for search engines. It means that how will you take your website to the top of a search engine's result page, or the number of traffic will be increased to your website. So the next question is, how do you increase your site's search visibility so that it's easy for your content to be found? It is saying that you must make your website so clear that it is clearly visible with less content and a simple content. The next question is, how do you know how much time to spend on SEO? So we must be always able to answer that we are going to do SEO, and SEO is a never ending process. In that sense, we don't know how much time we are going to spend in SEO. The at least we must spend at least 3 months in doing SEO to get better results. The next question is, how can you differentiate with good SEO advice and bad or harmful SEO advice? So it can be easily done by the persons who are using SEO, or we can also take consult to the persons who are already done SEO, and they have been benefited through the SEO. So the next thing is, how we'll do SEO. So how to do SEO? It consists of some few steps. First of all, we have to know what is SEO's requirements. As I told you before, there is something in the website we must do for doing a better search engine optimization. So the little knowledge of HTML will help us in doing smooth SEO works. So SEO mainly contains of three things: research and analysis, on-page optimization, off-page optimization. After that, we'll see the benefits of SEO. So SEO targets quality traffic. One of the biggest advantages of SEO is that it is an inbound marketing strategy. You don't need to pay for ads in SEO. It's totally free and a free platform to conduct SEO and to take your business to the top. SEO gets more clicks than pay per click PPC. PPC is totally other thing, and for that we'll do a separate video that what is PPC. You can go and see that. So SEO helps in PR. PR means page rating. The rate of your page will be increased when SEO is done. You can move ahead of the competition through SEO. Site assessments can be improved by using SEO. Ongoing optimization and testing can also be improved by using SEO. Reporting and analysis, which, which consists of reporting how many clicks were there before and how many clicks came and how many clicks are going to be within next few time. And analysis of SEO also says that before doing SEO, what was your condition of your website, how many clicks the website was getting, and after doing SEO, how many number of clicks the website is getting. So the career opportunities in SEO. In SEO, the main career opportunities are search engine marketer in companies, business marketing consultant in companies, digital marketing. You can also do it from your home. Marketing analyst is also you can do it from your home. Content marketer is also you can do it from your home. Or we can say that all these three, digital marketing, marketing analyst, content marketer, can be done you in your home using only network, internet working, and a laptop or your personal computer and SEO manager in various companies. So SEO roadmap. What are the roadmaps for SEO? For doing SEO, an SEO analyst need one, some basic knowledge of HTML and responsive website. Responsive website means when the website is opened in any device, it shows the correct format in that particular screen. So it is a responsive website. It means that it will show mobile with response and it can show in tablet with websites response, and it can also be seen in personal computer using websites response. Few knowledge regarding URLs, universal resource locators, and some uses of HTML. So thank you for today. We are done, and for more, please be connected with